All right, folks, today we are going to change the rear shock on this 2024 Norco Fluid FS A2. We are going to replace it with this King Creek DBIL coil. It doesn't come with hardware. This is a 210 by 55, so you will need a M8 by 20 millimeter for the top, or sorry, for the bottom, and this M8 by 30 millimeter for the top. Let's go ahead and install this. All right, so the stock shock is out, and you can see here that this is a bearing mount shock. And so there's a top hat there, and then the bearings inside there. So that's why you need those mounting, that mounting hardware for the King Creek. And so here's what it looks like with it installed. You have this right here. You have these spacers, which I will now put here. Got a thick one there and a thin one there. So this whole piece is 30 millimeters. And the bottom piece here is the 20 millimeter. It looks like I'm missing some hardware there. I'll go get that and let's go put it in. All right, so I just had the first ride on this thing after installing the shock, and it is so good. It feels so supportive and so planted. I took it on a trail that's pretty chattery up top and then pretty smooth at the bottom section, and it just did so well. I left the settings pretty much out of the box. I left it as is, right? So high speed compression and rebound haven't been changed. Same thing with low speed compression rebound haven't been changed. The preload, I kind of just set it. There's a bump stop down here. So when you first install the shock, the bump stop might be up here. I just left it on there. So as I compressed the shock, the bump stop would kind of like hang out right here in the middle of the shaft somewhere. And I kind of just use that as a gauge, almost like the O-ring, to set my preload. But it's so good. I probably won't do a whole lot of changes. I might add some compression and slow down the rebound a little bit. But other than that, it feels so good. But this is the bike. I'll post a video of the ride I had it on. And so hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.